Okay. So in the last session we configured and we did account assignment. So configuration part and account assignment, that is FI consultant part, both are done. Now and user part. Okay, and then user, these are the things like first we create a purchase order, and for purchase order we receive the goods, and for received goods we receive the invoice. Okay, that is the order. And here different types of delivery costs, planned or unplanned delivery cost will happen. Like let's say planned delivery cost, let's say at the time of purchase order, while creating the purchase order, if you know the freight charges or anything, you can use them in the planned delivery cost. If you don't know the charges, freight charges or anything at the time of purchase order creation, you can enter them using some other step, that is invoice verification. Okay, actually freight charges will be, in case of planned delivery costs, freight charges will be posted to inventory account, so it will become part of the raw material costs. Okay, during freight invoice verification they are transferred to vendor account. Okay, so first they will be in clearing account, from the clearing account they will be transferred to vendor account. But in case of unplanned delivery costs, so there are two options. Okay, one is freight charges can be distributed among invoice items, or freight charges can be posted to expenses account. So in case of first one, it will become part of the raw material. In case of second one, we have to create a separate freight expenses account, and you can post freight charges to that. In case of again planned delivery costs, one is goods and invoice of goods and freight invoice are from single vendor. Okay, here goods and invoice, freight invoice and goods invoice both can be entered in one step. In case of scenario 2, so freight invoice is from a different vendor. So freight is a different vendor and goods is from a different vendor. So you enter these invoices in two steps. Okay, so here we are following step 2, that is scenario 2. We are posting planned delivery cost where freight vendor is separate from goods vendor. Okay, first we create a raw material master. Hello? Yeah, Deepali, can you hear me? Yeah, Deepal, I can hear you. Okay. Yeah, same ID, same ID. You can connect with the same ID. No, you just put the, okay, I'll send you. Hello? Yeah. Okay, so we just started and user part. Okay, so we have two kinds of delivery costs, planned and unplanned delivery cost. So planned delivery costs are like if you know the delivery cost at the time of purchase order creation. PO means purchase order, so you post them as planned delivery costs. If you don't know at the time of purchase order creation, you You can post them as unplanned delivery cost. No transport charges, any custom charges, any expenses that occurred for handling, they're all delivery costs. Okay, so here first a freight clearing account will be, we have to create a freight clearing account and it will be posted to the freight clearing account. At the time of invoice verification, it will be transferred to freight clearing, will be cleared and posted to vendor account. And unplanned delivery cost, we have two options. One is freight charges distributed among invoices. That means it will become part of the material cost. And other one is freight charges posted to expenses account. You create one expenses account and it will be, freight charges will be posted to that. And in case of planned delivery costs, there are two scenarios. One is goods vendor and freight vendor are different. Scenario 2, goods vendor and freight vendor different. Scenario 1, goods and freight vendor is same. So here we are following scenario 2, where freight vendor is different from goods vendor. Okay, first we'll create raw material. T code MM01. Okay, material NAP RM, industry sector mechanical engineering. Okay, raw material, material type raw material. Yeah, this one. Someone created additional. Okay, you use this ROH. Okay, select views button. This one. Okay, views are something like a screen. Let us say while creating vendor, you created different screens. You maintain address in one screen and you enter account details in one screen, like that, bank details in one screen. Here in material, we call them as the views. Okay, so what are the views that you are going to maintain? Okay, select basic data 1, purchasing and general plant data, storage 1, and accounting 1, costing 1 and costing 2. ORG levels button. Okay, plant NAPL, storage location NAP1, enter. Okay, material NAP RM. Okay, base units are measured kilograms and material group NAPM. Okay, division NS and net weight 1 kg, gross weight 1 kg. Purchasing tab. Okay, and purchasing group NPG. Okay, purchasing tab. Okay, this is NAPM. Okay, purchasing group NPG. We created purchasing group NPG. And accounting 1 tab. Okay, valuation class. Okay, this is the important issue. from FI point of view. You remember we created 3 asset classes, one for raw material, one for finished goods, one for services. You remember? Okay, so this is a raw material. So we are assigning valuation class NAP1. And you remember for valuation class in the last session we assigned number range account 100 521 valuation class. See, LAP1 is raw material class, 200 700 in inventory raw material. Okay, if you procured a stock of this material NAPM, it will be posted to this account, inventory raw material account. Okay, this is a, so in a material master you maintain the valuation class. Pardon? Yeah, division we need not much worry much about division, because these things like MM consultant will take care of it. Okay, so generally like okay, just hold on. Okay, let's say you have organization structure like you have different you are automobile manufacturing company. Hello Deepali, can you hear me? Okay, so this is the link. Valuation class is the link between FI and MM, and price control. We enter moving average price and give moving price 200. Yeah, just hold on. Okay, she has gone offline. Okay, we'll continue. I'll provide her the recording. Okay, moving average price is, okay, for raw materials we use moving average price. Okay, for finished goods we use standard price. Okay, see, moving average price is something like this. Yeah, just hold on. Hello? Yeah, because yeah, if you can't connect, you can connect. Otherwise, I'm recording it and providing it. Okay, moving average price 200. Okay, save. Okay, this is material. Next is we have to create vendor master XK01. Okay, vendor NAP RM vendor. Company code NAP. Purchasing organization NAPO. And account group NAPM. NARM. You remember we created account groups in A, accounts payable. Okay. Enter. Okay, we created vendor earlier. The difference is here we assign purchasing organization and that's it, nothing else. That is the difference. Okay, and name NAP RM vendor. Okay, country IN, region 01. Enter 4 times. Okay, you know how to create a vendor. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, enter reconciliation account 100,980. Sort key 012. Cash management group A1. Enter. Payment terms 0001. Okay, tolerance group blank. Check double invoice. Okay, everything same except the purchasing organization. Okay, save. Next, creation of vendor master. Okay, T code. Okay, one more vendor for transport. XK01. Okay, vendor NAPTR vendor. Company code NAPO NARM. Enter. Name NAP transport vendor. Country IN, region 01. Enter. 1, 4 times. Okay, reconciliation account same. Sort key 012. Cash management group A1. Enter. Payment terms 0001. Okay. Okay, everything same. Save. Now we have raw material. We have two vendors, raw material vendor and transport vendor. Now open period for current month. This is periodic activity. See, every month you, just like in posting period, we close the period and we open a new period. Here for material posting, we use this MMPV. Okay, from company code NAP. Okay, period, current period is third period. Okay, fiscal year 2014. Okay, check and close period, execute. Okay. Okay, incorrect period control. Actually, you need not do this now. If you enter into the new period, let's say today is 23rd. After 1 week, like you enter into the next period, you have to do this. Otherwise, no need to do this. Okay. So purchase order creation. ME21N. Okay. Vendor, enter your vendor. NAP RM VNDR. Okay, order type OR. Okay, purchase order date, today's date. And now how come the screen is different? Yeah, ME21N. Okay, N is missing. Okay. Okay, first enter vendor here. NAP RM vendor and press enter. Okay, enter purchasing organization NAPO, purchasing group NPG, company code NAP. Okay, item 10 material NAP RM, purchase order quantity 100, and delivery date today's date. Okay, net price 200. Give the same price, the price we have given in the material master. Okay, currency INR, plant and storage location. Storage location NAP1. Next, enter. Okay, expand item details button. Okay, this is item details. You don't have control. Okay, see if it is collapse like this, just click here, it will show, and go to conditions. Okay, enter for amount for condition type FRB1. FRB1 amount 45 rupees. Enter. Okay, messages button to see any errors are there. If anything is missing, so messages are going to show. Okay, this is only a warning. Yellow color means warning here. And check button. Also you see any whether the document is correct or not. Okay, no messages issued during check. Save button. Okay, so purchase order so and so is being saved. Okay, next goods receipt. Okay, see these are important from FI point of view, and actually from interview point of view, like they may ask like MyGo and Myro, how they are associated with FI. Okay, and you should not say like what is I don't know what is MyGo, what is Myro. Okay, Myro is goods receipt. So we put purchase order, and now we are going to receive the goods. Okay, enter purchase order number. Okay, 17398. Okay, and enter. So all items will be copied from purchase order into the screen. Okay, so quantity and everything is there. Next, where tab. This is where tab. Okay, text, goods receipt, and storage location. You may have to enter storage location if it's not there. Quantity tab. Quantity in delivery note 100 kg. Okay, item OK checkbox. This is item OK checkbox. Check button. whether everything is entered correctly or not. Okay, document is okay. So it should be in green color and post. Okay, now we received the document. When we receive the document, so it should hit accounts as well as your inventory. Okay, first thing is you have received the material. Okay, you have to update your stock register. Second one is you should update your account books. So in the stock register, how much quantity and everything will be updated. In the accounts, so the stock into the price. So that is the quantity. Quantity into price. You will get the valuation, total valuation of the stock. So that value will be posted to your books. So it will happen automatically. See, just the warehouse person will receive the goods and enter it. Okay, automatically a material document and a accounting document is posted. See, material document so and so is posted. And next, displaying material document. Okay, MB03 T code. Okay, material document year, enter. Okay, so this is material document. So just quantity will be registered here, 100 kgs. And accounting documents button. Okay, so this is a inventory RM, GRINR account, freight clearing account. When we receive the goods, so this will be the entry. Inventory raw material to GRIR clearing account or GRINR account. So 45 rupees is the freight charges. 20 into 200 into, sorry, 100 quantity. 100 into 200 rupees is 20,000. So price is 200 rupees and quantity is 100 and 45 rupees freight charges. Okay, this is the entry. You should be able to tell, like in the interview point of view, like what is the entry for Miro. So it will be debit to inventory RM and credit to invoice GRINR account. Okay, that's it. Next, invoice verification. We received the goods. Now we received the invoice for goods and we are going to post the invoice for freight separately. Miro. Okay, invoice date, today's date. And okay, calculate tax checkbox. And what's that? Calculate tax checkbox and tax code V1. See, actually someone has changed the tax procedure or something like that. Okay. As I told, like parallelly all the students cannot work on the tax. Okay, tax NAP is the one we created, right? Okay, no one has changed it. Tax topic is done, right? Completely we posted. Okay. No, actually this is because of it is tax code B1, right? Okay, B1 is there. Okay, actually we created this tax code before activating the that day I told we discussed about plants abroad function. You remember? Okay, and text invoice verification. Okay, reference tab, purchase order reference tab. This is reference tab, and enter your okay 17398. Enter your purchase order number. Okay, here depending on what you select here in the plant delivery cost, goods service items. If you select both service items, plant delivery cost, you see two items separately. This is goods cost, this is freight charges. So here for which invoice? Okay, now select goods service items here. Okay, press enter. Only one item will be there. Okay, so just follow the book and select item OK checkbox. Booking item for OK, this one. Enter. Okay. Now copy the amount in the balance field. This one. Without negative sign. And paste it into amount. Enter. Okay. The balance will become 0. And it will become green color, the signal. And that's it. Messages will become gray out. That means no errors here. Okay. Payment tab. Okay, so you may have to enter baseline date as today's date, payment terms and everything. Next, simulate button. So now you can see the entry. So vendor to GRINR account. Now we are transferring, we are clearing this GRINR account and we are posting to vendor account. And VAT is also created. So to vendor 20,800 and 20,800. Okay, so entry will be like this. Close this window and post. Okay, so document number so and so created. So even you can display the documents. So invoice document menu display. Okay, follow on documents button. Okay, so vendor to the same entry you can see. So this is the accounting entry for this. Next, invoice verification for flight. Myro again. Okay. Enter invoice date. Okay, calculate tax. Okay, V0 is not there. Okay, V0 and Frieght invoice verification. Purchase order reference, enter your purchase order number, enter. Okay, this time here, see services amounts are already there. There are no items now. Select planned delivery costs. Okay, it will show the item here. Okay, select booking OK item and enter. Okay, next details tab. Okay, here we are going to change it. We are going to enter the raw material. Instead of raw material, we enter transport vendor. Okay, enter to ignore the warning message. Okay, if any unplanned delivery costs are there, you can enter them here. And basic data tab. Copy the amount from balance and paste it in the amount field. Enter. Okay, payment tab, you may have to enter the baseline date and this stuff. Simulate button. So entry will be transport vendor to freight clearing account. So when you receive the goods, you post it to freight clearing account. So when you receive the invoice from the vendor, you clear it and you post to vendor. Close it and post. Next is raw material consumption. So we are going to issue the raw material to the consumption. MB1A. Okay, movement type 201, that is consumption for cost center. Plant NAPL, storage location NAP1. Enter. Okay, cost center 1001. Okay, material NAP RM and quantity 25. Enter. Post. Okay, again a material document is generated, 49 something, so and so. So go to goods issue menu, display. Okay, it is going to show the material document and enter. So accounting documents button. Okay, one accounting document, double click on the accounting document. That will be the inventory. Okay, so credit to inventory raw material and debit to raw material consumption account. So value is 25 quantity we consumed. Okay, so it will be 25 into 200 and there are some some freight charges are also there, which are part of included in the inventory. Okay, that's it. Next is display stock ledger, MMB decode. Okay, material NAP RM, plant NAPL, storage NAP1. Yeah, execute. Okay, so it shows the stock here. So we have out of 100, we storage level, the plant level stock will be displayed here. Okay, and we have one more, that is stock for posting date, MB5B. Earlier one is plant level, storage item, storage location level, something like that. Okay, this is, okay, you can enter the material level, company code, plant, and validated stock checkbox execute. Okay, it shows all the transactions, material transactions. Any goods movements happens, it shows all of them here. So this is most recent one at the top. Okay, first we received 100 kgs. So its value is this much. And outward movement of goods 25 kgs. This is for raw material consumption. So this is the value. So here everything is displayed here. This is in terms of quantity. This is in terms of value. Okay, total stock value as on particular days. This one. So 100 kgs we received and minus 25. This is the current stock status. Still there is 75 kgs of stock is available. Its value is this much. Okay, so this is okay, so we'll stop here and tomorrow we'll continue with the next topic. Okay. Hello, any questions from your side? Okay, see you tomorrow.
Okay, sir. See you.
Okay, Subbu, can you install? You are able to install it, right?